Hello, my friends. So, first off, I just want to say to all of you that were on the live stream during the Big Short, I'm glad we had the company. It was the biggest, is the biggest, most profitable trade of this year for me. And I even, I just, it's good. It's good, folks. It feels good to nail the prophecy, as so many of you did as well. For all those who defend me from trolls and YouTube comments on my channel and others, it does not go unnoticed. And it is very appreciative. Looking at the profit logs, this has to be one of the top three greatest days for, and by the way, these profit logs keep coming in. Like, they're coming in non-stop. Another guy, 18 Bitcoin, 100K club. I got to add him. All these people hitting, people making trades that they've never could have dreamt of before, making returns they never could have dreamt of before. Look at these. Look at these. Look at these people. This guy 25x his account in 30 days in our group. Good job. Look at these people. Some mamas do Pinterest, some mamas do Market Cipher. I love seeing the mamas. Shout out to the mamas. Bringing that bread for their chicklings. Look at these people. People I've never even really seen before. I don't remember this guy, but apparently he made 30 grand. Good for you. This guy, 23 grand. Look at these people. 31 grand. Amazing. So, as I've once said before, it is not what you can do for me yesterday. It is what you can do for me today and tomorrow. Now that there's been this big move, the volatility is going to be very high. We are going to be cooking with gas. There is going to be movement. And what that means is very soon, and I mean very soon, as just a little bit of time goes by, we are going to start to see very clear momentum waves. We're going to be seeing clear everything. Market Cipher is the greatest indicator out there, bar none. There is no other indicator that tells you what is going to happen before it happens, not after. We have a blood diamond signaling a dump. We then have a yellow X. Beautiful. And right after, major dump. We were looking at the 1 minute time frames. Look, we have one right now. We have one right now. I am currently short another 400,000 at 8,600. I withdrew my profits. I withdrew over my profits. I like shorting this 8,600. I think we'll at least touch down to 81.8K before coming up I have seen this pattern a million times before. We have seen this pattern before, where it makes like a semicircle, comes down, goes sideways, then either comes down again, and then smaller, something like that, or it'll just bust through. So I am short again. I am short again. Now, just because I made that trade doesn't mean I am increasing my trade position. No way. I'm actually trading smaller than I was before. Why? Because I hit my target. I hit my target. Kind of. Can't complain about 200K. That shit was wild. Trading View, all of these, the most popular people were bullish. The most popular people were bullish. I'm not going to throw them under the bus. I'm not going to say their names. So again, I know I'm raspy right now. Like I said, we just had a big trade, and after that, I had to go to sleep. I was down for the count on the couch. No one from my channel should have lost anything. Now, if for some reason you missed out, don't worry. Bitcoin will be here tomorrow, and there will be more opportunities. The Swedish shuffle of all Swedish shuffles. We've talked about it for quite some time. It's certainly understandable. We've met some resistance here. Now all the Moon Boys, who were once saying BACT was going way up, are now changing their tune. We talked about how the money flow was so important. Crossing down was super bearish. The triangle added up the day after BACT. We nailed this trade down to the day. Down to the day. In all of these videos, every single video we've done, we've just been nailing it for the past however long. I don't know. You guys know the deal. I don't have to repeat myself, but I just, happy days. We're like, I feel like I'm laying in a bed full of puppies. I feel like I'm in a bed full of puppies. And there's more to come. There's definitely more to come. There is room lower. There is room lower. So again, I just wanted to make a video and say thank you to everyone who was there for the live stream. Thank you to all of you who support me and back me up. And it feels good to nail one of these grand slams. This was a grand slam. It made sense from every single angle. The indicators showed us. The most important indications pointed to the downside. We were at the end of the triangle. Even if BACT didn't matter, even if BACT wasn't there, the triangle was still there. It's just BACT was the cherry on top. BACT was the cherry on top. So I'm back again. I do have another short in. Don't waste or over leverage. Don't lose the profits that you have that you've worked so hard for, waited for so long for, whatever the case is. As far as us, we're going to keep on marching on. This is the champagne bottle pop. That cork flying was just the beginning. That was a 200K cork for me. And now it's time for champagne and hose. I'm talking champagne and hose. Which is actually, some would argue, the best part. Anywho, technically, with the price of Bitcoin being down, market cipher, the cost of market cipher, it's lower. It is still 0.1 Bitcoin. If you want to get on Whale Crew, if you just heard about this channel from this Mongo trade, you may be late to my channel, but it's not too late to come in and get it. It is not too late to come and get it. No one can stop us. No one will stop us. And I'm pretty sure we're going to submit to the Guinness Book of World Records for the biggest public YouTube trade, whether it's just in crypto or ever. Live streamed, 200K. We're going to be in the Guinness Book of World Records. So, if you are not with us, it does not mean that you are against us. But my friend, and I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Join me. Because you deserve it. We have a good time on this channel. You bet your ass I'm going to celebrate my wins. My people and I recognize how difficult this market can be. And if we don't celebrate and have a good time, well, then what's the point of doing it? All right. I'll see you guys after the next one.